Hey you, sitting like a shrimp hunched over your phone. If your posture had a sound, it'd be crack. Let's fix that spaghetti spine and turn you into a posture powerhouse. Fix your posture before it fixes you. Bad posture isn't just a look thing. It affects your breathing, digestion, mood, and even your confidence. And yes, it can seriously hurt your back. Poor posture can lead to breathing issues, digestion problems, low mood, low confidence, chronic back pain. But here's the good news. It's totally fixable. Let's break down how. The 3 pillars of posture. 1. Awareness. 2. Strength. 3. Mobility awareness. You can't fix what you don't know is broken. Start checking in with yourself. Are your shoulders tense? Is your head jutting forward like a turtle? Strength. A strong back and core are your posture's best friends. Here are 3 quick exercises. Superman's, 10 to 15 reps. Plank holds, 30 seconds to start. Wall angels, slow and steady. Mobility. Tight muscles can hold your posture hostage. Stretch daily with these moves. Doorway, chest stretch. Cat-cow stretch. Thoracic spine rotation. Daily habits that fix posture. They can either wreck your posture or restore it. Desk setup tips. Screen at eye level. Lumbar support. Feet flat. Knees at 90 degrees. On your phone. Stop staring down at your phone like it owes you money. Raise phone to eye level. Use voice to text to reduce typing while walking. Imagine balancing a book on your head. Lead with your chest. Engage your core. Ready to take action? Here's your 7-day posture challenge. 2 minutes of wall angels, 1 minute plank, 5 posture check-ins, 1 posture photo per day. Tag us and use the hashtag so we can see your transformation. Stand Tall Challenge. Mindset shift. Improving posture isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Progress equals awareness plus action. Small daily wins build long-term habits. You'll start to feel taller, stronger, and more confident, 1 check-in at a time. If this video made you sit up straighter, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let me know your worst posture habit in the comments. Let's work on it together. Remember, your posture is your body language to the world. Stand tall and own it. Thanks for watching.